Simple tips and tricks for successful affiliate marketing. Do you find your website's affiliate marketing plan is working? Want to learn how to help improve upon it? If you are ready, then you have come to the right place. The tips that are listed below contain advice on what you can do to create a better affiliate marketing plan. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Use a plugin to help you rotate the advertisements on your site. Eliminate the ads that are not making any money to free up some space for new ads that may work better. Track this internally through your account on the affiliate marketing site that you are working through. After watching through this video, you ought to be a bit excited to start experimenting and trying new programs and plans. Hopefully, these new things will yield results that work for you. If not, try something else until you are pleased with the results. That's the best part about affiliate marketing, you can experiment with it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.